you know where we're headed. And we're gonna go the only place we can.
This is the cab, local cab before they rename it, by the way.
Alright, I'll let you send it down. Here, I'm just gonna get a quick view of the cab. It's a little beat up. I mean, this is... I will say, I was led to believe this is more of a dead mall than it actually seems to be.
Mm-hmm.
Seems they've actually revitalized it a little bit.
Yeah. Can you go back up?
Yep.
Dover VR fixtures.
Yeah, they never thought those were really the best VR fixtures, to be honest.
Mm-hmm. Of course, it's got that Dover buzz, so this is definitely on a DMC controller.
Yeah, I mean, I think this is installed in like the late 90s or something.
Yeah, that would make sense.
You can kind of see through the doors a little bit. See, they're hiding the certificate from me, so I can't tell you instantly when this is installed. I have to look it up on PA records
Yeah.
like a loser. Okay, that's it.